Want to get back on TikTok and log into your account? Now that TikTok and Musical.ly have merged, you can sign into TikTok with an existing TikTok account or log in with your old Musical.ly credentials. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to log in and out of TikTok. Now let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the bottom of the pop-up menu, select Login. Now enter your username or email address and the password for your account. If you already had an account on Musical.ly, you can use your Musical.ly username and password to sign into TikTok. Then tap the checkmark button. Once you've logged in, tap the profile icon to go to your personal TikTok page. If you had videos on your Musical.ly account before they merged with TikTok, your Musical.ly videos will still be on your profile. If you want to log out of TikTok, go to your profile, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Privacy and Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, then tap Log Out. Tap Confirm in the window that appears. That's all it takes to log in and out of TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.